Hey everyone, just wanted to show you a little jig I've made. This jig is fantastic and it gives you accuracy at 60 degrees. And the jig is made to make sure that the veneer pieces which I'm cutting, which go into the pattern, are all exactly correct. So I've worked out how to make this little jig with a little recess. You click it down and hold it with a little clamp. Make sure it's down correctly into the grip, which is predetermined to make the size right. And then I've just created this little jig with a ruler, steel with a screw in there, and the stop, which makes sure that it doesn't move. So by doing this, with a very sharp blade, do a couple of passes, very low, and then firmer. You don't get any tear out then, and you get a perfectly clean cut. And these pieces are all then transferred into the actual pattern. There's so many different patterns you can do. And as you watch these videos the next few days, you'll see how I managed to create a whole effect from this. Anyway, it's great fun, good ISO project, and easy to do, no mess. Have a great day.